Coming up in this episode, I'm going to be using these really fun collage papers that I made on my jelly plate to make some fun textures in this piece. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Trina here. Welcome back to another Mixed Media Art demo. I've laid out some warm gray and gray pale, and I'm just sort of mixing it together here on the plate. And then I'm going to use the stamp, and we're going to stamp back into it to make our layer on the bottom of this piece. Just to give it some texture. Put my paper down. I'm just gonna start like right here. I want to thank everybody for the comments you've been leaving and general interaction with the page. It's been really great to see, so thank you for that. Okay, that didn't really do much. I didn't get too much paint on there, but let's move on. Just still got a little bit of paint here, so I'm gonna roll out some gel medium. Let's see if we can get that up, because it's kind of a nice texture. I'll just put that over top. Kind of looks like peeled paint. Ooh, that's fun. I'll bring you a little closer so you can see a little bit of that texture that we got going on there. Kind of fun. Okay. Okay, I've got a little burnt sienna here from Liquitex. Kind of just feeling that color today. And let's get out our, let's try the string again. Okay, I've got some new string. I'm gonna try a thicker string, because this embroidered string has like multiple, you can make it thin, you can make it thick. Okay, let's get a piece of paper here. Let's try this. I'll just flatten that out. This might be fun. Ooh, I love that. That's way fun. I like it better with the thicker string, I think. I'm gonna leave a little bit of white space. That one worked out really great. That's really nice through there. Okay. I think I want to put some blue or maybe some yellow. Okay, this is the yellow gray I'm rolling out from the Shades of Gray set. Let's use a little bit of this over here. Maybe. Okay. Just be very quick about it. bit. I don't want to get smudgies where I don't want smudgies. Okay, this is going to go. I don't want it to cover up that piece right there. Oh, I might have moved it a little bit. And I'm going to put a dark Payne's gray right through there too. What did I do there? Did I get that really? Okay, that paper is really crooked. That's worrying me. Well, even though it's crooked, I think it's going to look okay. Yeah. Okay, we got some good textures going on here. I like what's going on here so far. We need something to come up and maybe over. Okay, Payne's gray. I want to create like a hill type shape. I'm gonna put down this stencil. It's sort of almost like snake skin. I want that to go. I don't think I want any white space there, just a little bit. Oh, God. There's paper stuck to that. Okay. Ooh, that one's fun. Let's come in for a little close-up. You can see all the good textures we have going on there. I think I want to add some collage papers. So let's do that. Okay, so I got this piece right here. I'm just going to lay down through here. Put down some gel medium, acrylic medium, gloss medium, whatever you have. I mean, I guess you could even use Mod Podge if you wanted to. And we're going to spray this down with some water. A lot of you were asking why I spray it down with water. The water is what makes it transparent. So we're basically creating a little layer sandwich of acrylic medium with wet paper, medical exam paper, and then another layer of acrylic medium over top. And that's what makes it translucent, so that we can see all the good stuff we put down below. Okay. So we're going to use this piece here, put it a little spot. So I really liked that thing through there. So let's put that down. I'm really liking using these papers. I really enjoyed making them, and I really enjoy using them as well. It's a fun way to make marks, to get things that you just couldn't do with paint by itself. Great way to add texture and variety into your process. Okay, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Let's see what we've done. This is really nice. I've got this piece of paper too, but I'm not sure where I want to use it. So I cut another piece of that paper because I really liked it, and I want to bring it up through, now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I want it through here. I want to overlap just a little bit and peek out just a little bit up here at the top. It does get a little challenging to put these tiny thin papers down, but it's a make it work moment, because that's really kind of fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna lay this down right through here somehow. Ooh, that's really cool. I like how the transparent layers that we got. And I got some black on my brayer there. I like this. This is cool. Okay. Let's bring it in for a little close-up so you can kind of see what that added to it, as far as how it covered up a little bit of that string texture, but you can kind of still see it in there. Neat. I'm gonna roll out a little bit of the gray pale. I kind of didn't do anything up here at the top. I was feeling a little bland. Do I want to put texture on it? I feel like I do. I'm gonna just put a little bit of this in there. I know I use this way too much, but I love it. Okay. I just kind of want to put something up there at the top to kind of give us some sort of almost like sky-ish difference. Where's my Baron? Good. Okay, let's lay this paper down. It's another one of these sort of gold flecky ones that I had. I just thought it might be kind of fun to add some more crazy texture through here. It's neat how you can build up so much texture and layer through there. Let's do some lines through here. I want a few down here as well. I think right through here. And then I need something to bring it up. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this. I'm just gonna bring this up through here a little bit because I need something to go up. That was maybe not it. I had a little too much paint there. I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, I've got this little piece here that I'm just gonna stick in there. Okay, it'd help if it wasn't crooked. There we go. I don't mind that. Let's make our Payne's gray mark here because I want to kind of bring it down through here. And I want it to be yep, that's what I want. A little bit of black marks through here. I like the way that kind of mimics what's going on down here, these little black marks. Might want some more of these down here, actually. They're intriguing me, the black marks. I want some more pencil marks through there. Okay, I think we need to bring some more of this burnt sienna color up through here a little bit. So this is, oh, that's way too much. This is the golden acrylic ink. It's a lot more subtle. I was gonna use the Nico Azo, but I think this is gonna work better. So it just needs a bit, because we're kind of like, there needs to just be some pops of it somewhere. Not a lot, just like to bring your eye around. I think that works. Okay, I think that's where I'm gonna stop today. I think this one's done. It feels very finished to me. This is what it looked like with the matte. I love the layers. This was a fun paper. I love that paper. That was really fun. This area is really cool down here. I like the kind of flow of it. I think these marks really help bring you back up to the top and around. This is a really good mark too. Yeah, overall, I'm very happy with this one. Pretty simple compared to what I've been doing lately, but I think I'm gonna I'm trying to simplify things, but still have impact, if that makes sense. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video, and I will see you in the next one where we'll do some fun stuff. Thanks so much. Bye.